Hey guys, we are back with an effortless spring beautiful look from LuvMe Hair. So you know what to do. Let's go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Stephanie. I feel like I just need to reintroduce myself because it has been a while since I have done a video. Let me give you a little update first. So a couple of months ago, I did cut my hair into a pixie cut. Now don't look at it right now because this is like in between hair appointments, but I have just been enjoying being bald-headed, not having any hair on my head, and so I have not done a lot of wig reviews in this time frame. But we're gonna get back into it. We are getting into a unit from LuvMe Hair, and I decided to wear something like springy, Eastery, since that is the holiday that is coming up. If you know, I live in St. Louis and the weather is bipolar here. Like one day it's 85, the next day it is in the 50s. So it's cold outside, but it is springtime inside my house. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. So let me pull up the specs, show you everything that came in the box. We'll go ahead and install, pros and cons, all that good stuff. All right, so in today's video, we are going to be reviewing this LuvMe Hair unit, this brown highlighter. Let me see if I can get it good here. Okay, here we go. There's the picture. So this is LuvMe Hair's brown highlighted wavy butterfly cut glueless minimalist HD lace wig pre-cut lace. So you know when it says minimalist lace that it is only going to have lace in the parting space and a little bit right here in the hairline. So this unit comes in 12 inches, 14 inches, and 16 inches. Now I'm not sure what they have sent in this box, but what I'm gonna do is put the length right across the screen for you so that you can see that. And I'm gonna give you the prices of all the lengths. So for 12 inches, you're looking at $113.93. For the 14 inch, you're looking at $123.13. For the 16 inch, you're looking at $159.53. But you know, I have you covered with the promo code. It's SNH28, I believe. If I do have a higher one, I'll put that down in the description box and across the screen as well. Now, as far as the specs on this unit, it's 150% density. It is glueless, medium, cap size, 100% human hair, pre-cut lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Color is a brown highlight. Comes with a left side part. So again, minimalist lace, you can only part it on that left side. Yeah, so let me just do the unboxing at this point. Sorry I gave you the specs before actually showing you the unit in the box. I don't know why I just did that. Anyway, but inside the box we have the letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox to love and shine bright. And then here is the unit straight out of the box. We still have the paper, the netting, the tag, all of this on it, but I'm gonna take this off so we can look at the construction in just a moment. Also in the box we have the purple mesh bag with the drawstring top so that we can store our unit. An elastic band for the inside of the unit. So this is going to be that detachable elastic band that you can hook on the inside of the unit, and I will be utilizing this. We have a pack of HD wig caps, a LuvMe Hair air freshener. This is very cute. Trying to get it where the light, okay. I think you can see it now. And then it has Love Me For You on the back. Very cute. I'll probably put this in my car or something. We also have some lace tape. Now this is gonna be way too dark for me, so I will not be utilizing this one. We have a purple LuvMe hair clip. I love these like little grippy clips. We have a wig box label, which I will be utilizing this as well. I have been really good about labeling my wigs, so I'm so proud of myself. And then we have our little stock card here that has the thank you, wig care tips, how to return common wig issues. So very good information to have. All right, so here is the unit without the netting on it. And as you can see, it has that beautiful brown highlight. So kind of like a mixture of like a 1B and maybe a 30. So as far as the lace, we have a little bit of lace right here around the hairline. And then as you can see, only on that left side. So again, this is what it means when it's minimalist lace. So if you get this and it does not already have the part in the unit, what you're going to want to do is just part it right in the middle of that lace. That way you won't see any kind of tracks or anything. The hair from the closure will just lay right over it. So we have 2 combs right here in the front. We have a comb right here in the back. We have the elastic band that I did go ahead and put inside. All you're doing is just putting it into the loops on both sides of the unit. And then we do have the adjustable straps. Now this is a traditional wig cap. We have the traditional ear tabs, so no C-shaped ear tabs on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on a wig cap, kind of put my sideburns somewhere, and then we'll go ahead and install. Okay, let's get into this install. So I have on a nude wig cap. I'm going to start by placing the elastic band around the back of my head and bringing down the unit, placing that back comb, pulling it over the elastic band and placing that in the nape of my hair. Now, as far as the front of this unit, I am just going to adjust so that it is to my liking, and then I'm going to install the front combs on both sides of my hair. And it is just that easy to install. So now I'm going to go ahead and customize. Straight out of the box, the unit came in these beautiful layers, but they were a little too tight. So on one side of my head, I went ahead and used my flat iron to kind of just loosen that up. And so now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. So just taking large sections of hair, it doesn't have to be small sections, but taking large sections of hair and just running my flat iron over it, putting a slight bend into the hair. We do not want a church bump. Yes, this wig is perfect for Easter. However, we do not want church bumps. So again, just taking large sections of hair and just putting a slight bend into them. Now that I've gotten to the top of this side of my hair, I'm going to take these last 2 sections and kind of just use my flat iron to curl it backwards. So towards the back, because we're wanting to put in some beautiful feathers. And then a slight comb out with my wide tooth comb. And that is it. She is all styled up. But now I need to work on the top of this unit. As you see, there's a lot of flyaways. So I'm going to take some Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray. And this is the plus one. So it's a medium to strong hold. And I'm just spraying that right around the parting space. And I'm going to use my hot comb to lay everything nice and flat here at the top. No flyaways. We do not want any kind of flyaways. I also had a few flyaway pieces around the hairline, so I just went ahead and pulled those out. And now I'm going to take some of my Wet n Wild contouring powder, the dark shade, with a flat brush and just brushing that right there on the lace around the hairline. The parting space looks great, so this is the install. This is it. So I'm going to turn around so I can show you all angles, the front, side, back, other side, and now let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons. All right, guys, so that was the install, and this is such a cute style. So I'm a left side girly, and I love that this unit is on the left side. Sorry to those right side girlies, but this one can only be on the left side. We only have lace right here and a little bit right here around the hairline. That is it. The color combination is so pretty. It's very much so effortless and like professional. I love that it's not blotchy or clumpy. The highlights are just absolutely perfect. And here is a close-up. So I do want to note that this is like a silky straight texture. So it's not like a yucky straight texture. It is a silky straight unit. Love that it already comes like cut and styled for us. So I did take an extra step just by flat ironing it out just a little bit, but that was just my personal preference. If you want to wear the unit just straight out of the box, then that's perfectly fine. But I just wanted to kind of put some zhuzh on it because straight out of the box, it came with like tighter curls, and I just kind of wanted to just like loosen them up and give it a more natural look. So love this big heavy bang that we are working with here. So again, it already comes out of the box cut into layers, and it's layers all throughout this unit. So not just a face frame, but layers all throughout this unit. So again, this unit does come in 3 different lengths. I will put the length on the screen. I know how you all are when I don't have all the information. I will get the information for you and put it on the screen for you. So please do not yell at me down in the comments. So the unit is very much so soft and bouncy and flowy. Also, I do want to note back here in the back of the unit, in the very back, there are some tracks that are sewn upward, and that is just to give more volume on this unit. So if you get this unit and you're like, why is it like flipped up here in the back? That is just to create some more volume around this unit. So it's like that. About halfway up the unit, the tracks are like flipped upward to create some volume, which we love volume. A flat unit just does not look natural. We want volume. So love that they incorporated those flipped up tracks. Now I did install this unit glueless, so you do not have to spray this unit down. You do not have to glue this unit down. I just put a little bit of my Wet n Wild contouring powder just around the hairline, and that is it. Just blended that lace right in. Now I did cut a little bit of the lace right here on this side because it was just showing, and I have a lower hairline and my edges kind of poke out when I wear closure units or any unit for that matter. So I just did want to cut it back just a little bit, and so my edges are kind of peeking through, and again giving a natural look. So I'm trying to think, as far as the density on this unit, 150% is a nice amount of density on this unit. I feel like it's a lot of hair on this unit. You don't need much more, especially with this style, because we do have the volume created with how the unit was constructed. Now, as far as those ear tabs, it is traditional ear tabs, and you all know how I feel about traditional ear tabs. They never fit my head, but this unit, the ear tabs fall exactly where I need them to. So love that. It is very secure, even though we don't have a drawstring. I have been crushing on drawstring units. This one does not have a drawstring. It is not going anywhere. The unit is secure. Like, it's not going anywhere at all. Color, length, all of this is A+ on this unit. Definitely want to make sure you get your hands on this for the spring and summer. Get it for Easter. This is a perfect like Easter look. I mean, look, perfect, right? So that concludes this video. I'm going to put everything down in the description box below. A link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this gorgeous brown highlighted unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28. If I do have a higher one, I'll put that down there as well. Also, I will make sure to get the link and put it down in the description box as well for you. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you love this unit. Share this with a friend, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.